Amaniwa bewangili mana nyanya miongo nyanya na imwe maendeye na kutania mosungyo mamutiani wa KCSE wa mwaka muvitumbitho cha ndini wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo inde bena latukumbanisye kwa ukumbi
alatukumbanisye ni vamwe na
amaniwa ngili imwe yana imwe na miongo ina na thandatu kukwata ayungamite mutianini wa KCSE. Minista wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu kuwera serikali ni kwa ile kisomo cha sekondari na cha junior secondary. Maskulu kwa dhukani welembetani ya ukamba kuende ya nakutani ya mausungio mamutiani wa KCSE Naomi Mwete eliku maskulu ni wa 8 wa makueni aikwata ayungamite. Na serikali nene na ilasi akaunti kukulwa sita ne mwene ndi kumanonanza na munyaula umwikumbilite.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo
ni na udhocha nyenito wa Robert MUTUKU na kesha Rwandinda etwalila Mauvoo akwanzia iya meko tuyambia Mauvoo maitunika na manigwa ngili imwe yana imwe na miongo ina thandatu nima kwata ayungamite nthini wa mausungio mamutiani wa class cha form 4 KCSE mwakani wa ngili miongo ili na ile alama nenganwe kwi umondi ainengane mausungio minista wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu wawetakana kati wa manigwa mbe wa ngili mana nyanya miongo nyanya na imwe lama nekie mutiani no manigwa ngili ya na imwe na miongo muonza na tatu mana tatu na miongo ina na atano makwati grade ya kulika imansioni siya yolo kana university. Angelina Muse ni watu mbarensi ya livoti.
Nthini wa mausungio mavikie kusoma muthenyani wa umuthi ni minista wa kisomo vanthi ya Kenya Ezekiel Machogu amanyiwa ngili mana nyanya miongo nyanya na umwe mana ana 16 nimo manekalile mutiani wa KCSE mwaka wa ngili miongo ili na ile amanyiwa ngili umwe yana yimo na miongo ina na thanza tu maikwata grade ya A yunje na vala namba ya alama kwati grade ya C+ kwambata makwati viso ya kuthima nyesioni nene sia serikali ne amanyiwa ngili yana yimwe miongo mwanza na atatu mana atatu na miongo ina na atano.
881,416 candidates sat the 2022 KCSE examinations compared with 826,807 candidates in 2021. This represented an increase of 54,609 candidates, that being 6.60%. Of the total number of candidates that sat the 2022 KCSE examination, 443,644 were male, while 437,772 were female, representing 50.33% and 49.69% of the total candidature, respectively. This statistic means the country has achieved gender parity in much the same way as we have done at the primary school level.
Amanyiwa alama akwata grade ya A- ni amanyiwa ngili thansatu maana ana na muonza alama akwata grade ya B yongeletu ni amanyiwa ngili 15 maana thansatu miongo nyanya na eli amanyiwa ngili miongo itatu na umwe maana atatu na atatu maikwata grade ya B yungamete amanyiwa ngili miongo ina na nyanya maana muonza 19 maikwata B yengumye vala amanyiwa ngili miongo muonza miongo nyanya na nyanya makwata grade ya C yembongele kana C+.
There were 1,146 making 0.13% candidates who obtained an overall A grade in the 2022 examinations compared with 1,138, which was 0.14% candidates in 2021. On the other hand, the number of candidates with minimum university entry qualification of grade C+ and above has risen to 173,345, forming 19.03% in the year 2022 KCSE examination compared to 145,776, which was 17.55% in 2021.
Minister wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu niwe watakana amanywa alama tana akwata grade ya kuthi university na muno aangili miongo 3 maana nyanya miongo 2 makwata grade ya E ni makufikia kukwata meanya ndeniwe manyesho cia kiuvundi.
Encouragingly, the number of candidates obtaining a main grade of E declined significantly to 30,822, which is only 3.49%, despite the increase in candidature, compared with 46,151, which was 5.56% in 2022. This clearly leads us to conclude that most of the candidates scored grades of higher quality. Most significantly, all the remaining candidates are eligible to join TVET institutions, teacher training colleges, medical training colleges, and other tertiary learning institutions for various courses.
Ona uyovo imwana maana nyanya miongo 105 nimo makwata grade ya A yunge 8 maana eli miongo 101 makwata grade isu ya A.
Female, we have 271 getting an A. Male, we have 875.
Angelina Musengi livoti ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Kungini kana muvea wa kisomo nuwa wetaiseso ya kuungamia kumaka na kutangasa mausungio mamutiani wa klasi cha form 4 KCSE mwakani wangilile meongwele na ile inaina umelu na withianu wa kiwango cha yolo kila maniwa nukukwata mausungio make mamutiani uo. Serikali ingi ni adhana kwa ili ya kisomo cha sekondari ungola ni ulamuko wa 844 na umwe wa CBC ula ukwambiwa mwakani uo skuluni sia junior secondary. Benjamin Mwaka nukuelezi.
Serikali ni atatia mausungio mamutiano muthia wa sekondari wa KCSE mwaka wa ngilile na miongole na ile zama kungamia mitiani ya NEC ni aweta mwaka mvitu waka yungamia mitiani 5 ateo no iseso ya kumako kwa mutiani wa KCSE vinai ine kumbilwa ni muvwavwano ateo uineva kakiko withianu wa mausungio a.
This is the year that we did 5 examinations, like say 4 examinations and an assessment. We were able to assess more than 4 million children.
With regard to the 2023 KCPE and KCSE examinations, we want to appeal once again that registration of candidates is the first step in administering an exam. And we are going to start the process on the 1st of February to the 31st of March.
I wish to urge our professionals who are usually engaged in national exercises like participating in the administration of national examinations to put the interest of the nation first and look at the merits of engaging in certain activities that could otherwise plunge the lives of our youngsters into irredeemable turmoil.
Muvia wa kisomo nwaweta vayingo mwaniwo na umwe utekwata mausungio make Minister Ezekiel Machogu alikithia kana kula kuna isiko sio kengani ina huito wa kutuma mausungio ma amaniwa kwikwa itheka.
And what we did, changing the system a little bit, I'm happy to report that we really did not experience the kind of cheating, the kind of malpractices that we used to get there before.
Nikumano na KU valakila mumaniwa hukukwata mwana wa kisomo maskulu ni mayolo kiuvundi kana universities mausungio ama nengano tene nongana kunenga hamaniwa mwana wa kwambisya kuyumbanisya kisomo cha yolo kwetene.
The exams now are actually not a do or die. That every child will get results today, whether he gets a D+, whether he gets an A, that is a Kenyan who has a place in the society.
I therefore direct the Kenya universities and the colleges Central Placement Service to move with speed and establish the number of places available in our universities, colleges, and the TVET institutions to enable the immediate commencement of the placement exercise.
Ndano kana kukwatia kisomo cha sekondari zama kuandika limu TSC ni aweta ni yombani chondu vailete kuikia vina kisomo cha CBC cha junior secondary kwa kuandika alimu oneo serikali nene itethesya wakino ilasi sya kwika ukunikili wa science yani laboratories.
It is our intention to have the new recruits join the payroll on January 30th, the same day when the junior secondary school learners will report to their respective schools. All the teachers who will be recruited in the ongoing exercise, they will be put on a retooling regime that will ensure they adequately attend to our junior secondary school learners.
CBC, as you all know, is competency-based. It is not now meritocracy, where we are saying who got 1, who got 2. We want to see the skills. We want to see what one can do and earn a living.
In the next financial year, the government will spend 18 billion for the junior secondary school runners capitation grants. I now wish to state that of the 15,000 that will be released for each runner, 4,000 will be spent on the development of infrastructure, with the greatest priority being on reparatories. I'm aware that members of parliament will also be able to set aside money out of CDF so that we are able to embark and ensure that we put up reparatory this year.
Na otondu ya ikavindani ka kutangazo kwa mausungio mamuthia ma class janana KCPE yu amaniwa onde halamaneka mutiani wa KCSE mwaka muvetu onamo otala ma class janana mithwa na ifso ya kuendesya nambe mauvunde sio ma kisomo cho nthino imanisyo sya kivundi ila ni technical schools na nthino imanisyo sya yulo ila ni universities. Dilivotia Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumava miakoni minene yanzama kungamia mitiani va Kenya NEC musiene wa Ilovi nye nitawa Benjamin mwaka.
Tuilika ukamba nikana Naomi mweteli wa skulu wa 8 wa Makueni nikati wa 8 alame kiene samutiani ni wa KCSE wa mwaka modelu ituma kukwata ya point miongo nyanya na imwe mwandu kito Caleb Chalo ni wanenania na Naomi ula umite otoini wa kiunduani Makindu kaunti ya Makueni na atombanisya livoti.
Alimu asiaiva mwana ndo mavakuve Naomi mweteli mumaniwa weka wa mwetu kuma skulu wa 8 wa Makueni Girls na ula walikana na amaniwa ange ma 8 maana ile miongo monza na umwe Kenya yonthe alama yakwete grade ya ayunje wende wa mita air constant mumaniwo akikwata ya point miongo nana na emwe
na nitungia ngai muvea nondo no abikia naonenga kukwata grade A ila nine kwa matuku maingi na mvoya nenge
kwa Naomi matokeo ande umekwata siana muno kwa masomo makithiomo kana wende wa Kiswahili na Kisungu na vala Kiswahili wa uta A constant na cho Kisungu akikwata B+.
Ndika mutiani chawoni na someta nene kitabiti but vai soma nina ishua kana yuni ngopeta but nene kwati tengai kana niwonenga na utoni muno ndika biology ninewa nina wia na ando ingi mana complain ya maesa mutiani usu wina bitha but kwa utoni wanga ino abikia naonenga kwika nesa
kithito cha muthwa ula waka kivumbu na mata nicho mwana wa mwitu ana inacho na vala wetakana kimbithe kingi niko kwatwa mbau na kunengwa mwana ni asiai kukwatwa mbau ni alimu na indi kate wa sindu sionthe kuvoya na kumwekea ngai.
First trust God so much. Again, be focused and be yourself. Like even though the other students are discouraging you, just be yourself. I would make to come to school very early. I attended all the morning preps, all the evening classes. Like I made sure that I'm disciplined. I made sure that I have a good relationship with my teachers.
Asiai na alimu make maina avithotani uona vala makinena na kiseseke cha Mutongo TV mamueta Naomi takawembe masomoni.
Today we are excited celebrating the excellent results of one of our own. Just about the teachers being dedicated and girls being disciplined.
Tunekite mbe kwambo mamvya fisi to make sure and whether I contented at school.
Since Oka Makueni Girls kuma Form 1 nether you are consistent kwa grade nda disappoint mo no mwe nether ai kwato grade ila either tamusina tarajia
kuongenekana skulu wa mwana wa Makueni Boys ni wandikithia aile sionje A minus miongo ili na thandatu, B plus miongo itano na A, B constant miongo thandatu na imwe, C plus miongo itano na itano, C constant 18, C minus 10 na D plus imwe na vala siana maana ile miongo na mwonza sio the university kuma skulu ni o. Mr. Musimi ni mwalimu mwenene wa skulu.
Actually group wetu na this time round na compare na last year and the other a few years a group ina high level of discipline lilikana na mwenye wa mwisho mayika physics practical ito ama commend ba assembly to ameka na for the last 6 or 7 years ila twethi mwana sia form 4 it was school nangi mayenuka kuma ila tweta matiangi system. This was the best group.
I would like, by God's grace, to join the University of Nairobi. I would also like to pursue medicine because
anatoleta muno asome atwike ndagitali ndoto ila yuambise kumenyungia na manyo make katewa amaniwa onthi ala maneke mutiani wa KCSE va Kenya maana ile miongo mwanza na umwe mema etu nimo mana akwatie A constant na mweteli kana naomi wa mweteli ni umwe. Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Mauvoo, kuma va skulu ne wa A2 wa Makueni Girls.
Itina wa minisa wa muvea wa kisomo vanthi ya Kenya Ezekiel Machogu kutangaza mausungio mamutiani wa skulu za sekondari mwaka wa 2022 maskulu kivadhukanio ni maende na upata mausungio mamutiani o aingimo maitani ya mausungio a kuwangima iketha mausungio matema kuendesya kwa sianiwa na miaka mivituku. Daniel Mwangela ni wakunikila onu maskulu mekite kaunti na Masako na hatumbanisya divoti.
Niko maundu mevwa skulu ni wa A2 wa St. Francis ulawika Ngundo kauntini ya Masako. Mausungio meileta manigwa wambe A na uvano wa A atiwa na manigwa ngeli mena uvano wa A minus manigwa angi kenda mena B plus angi 16 mena B na asuma kati wanangi meongwena mena B minus alame ina C plus na mume miongo 36 na angi mena uvano wa C miongo 3 na mo C minus mei mwanza.
Agnes Mweni Nzivu, nimetoka katika shule ya St. Francis Misiani Girls. I got an A plane of 81 points. I thank God because he has helped me to achieve this goal. I thank my parents because they have been supportive to me. I thank my teachers because they have shown me the way ever since I was in Form 1 until Form 4. I thank all the people who have supported me, who have prayed for me. May God bless you all. Maisha Misiani imekuwa nzuri. Walimu wetu wamehakikisha kuwa tulikuwa na chochote ambacho tulichohitaji. Tumekuwa na walimu wenye bidii sana. Tulikuwa na walimu ambao walikuwa nakuja kufunza remedials, wanakuja asubuhi kutufunza na washukuru.
Everyone who has been in her journey to achieve this goal. Thanks to God and everyone.
Na leo tuko na furaha sana kama Misiani Fraternity kwa sababu tumepata our first A in the last 10 years.
Tisa skulu ni wa Caring Arts amaniwa ile mena uvano wa A minus amaniwa 5 mena B plus na angi 8 mena B angi 11 mena C plus na angi 8 mena uvano wa C minus.
My name is Maureen Ndambi. I was studying at Caring Arts High School. I got a mean grade of A minus of 75 points.
Veronica Mudhoki. I was studying in Caring Arts High School. I got a B plus of 67 points. The secret behind my success was I worked hard in school and I also cooperated with teachers and I also prayed hard. I used to pray God to help me to pass in this examination because it was going to dictate the future I will have.
Na kwa ukamba wa Kathiani skulu wa A2 wa Kathiani maniwa umwe A na uvano wa A amaniwa angi kenda mena uvano wa A minus matiwa na amaniwa angi miongo 38 mena uvano wa B plus na mwasu makatiwa na amaniwa miongo 8 na ili mena uvano wa B matiwa na angi miongo 2 mena uvano wa B minus na angi 18 mena C plus. Kwa ukamba wa Masako skulu ni wa imwana wa Machakos Boys manigwa wambe A na uvano wa A akate wana manigwa ngi miongo ele mena uvano wa A minus nangi miongo etano na nana mena uvano wa B plus na alama ena uvano wa B me miongo mwonza na mwonza matiwe na alama ena B minus na me miongo mwonza na mwonza na mwalama ena C plus me miongo thandatu na mwonza na mwalama ena uvano wa C me miongo ena na eli. Nako skulu wa Mumbuni mwanigwa wambe A na uvano wa A atiwe ni mwanigwa ungi A na uvano wa A minus namu amanigwa alame na uvano wa B methandatu.
It's our first time as a school to record a straight A, and this one has broken the record of the school and we are happy, and this in itself inspires the other learners that they can score an A. This girl started here, she had 371, which is an improvement because that was a B and she has gone home with an A plane. Because we are still working on them, but we have 50 who have qualified to the university. We expected a higher number, but we are happy that we've been able to get that.
Na muthia mausungio ma skulu wa A tuwa Machakos Girls alame na uvano wa A minus me ya 5 na mwalame na uvano wa B plus me 12 makati wanangi miongo 29 me na uvano wa B na mwasu makati wa miongo 58 me na uvano wa B minus nangi alame na uvano wa C plus me miongo 5 na mwonza na muthia miongo 6 na umwe me na uvano wa C.
Out of the 271 Hays, the female gender has acquired this year at KCSE. One of them is from Faith Mwikali, who is a student in Mumbuni Girls, and we are really proud of her.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutongwe TV, kumuva skulu ni wa imwana wa Machakos Boys ulawimiwa ni kauntini ya Masako.
Nimubea Daniel Mwangela nundu wa Mauvoo wasu na indi ndikunikila utumani wako kwa ili 395 na mundu kasieta wa Josephine Njue na Kenyatta Road musini wa Ilovi asani utanu kuona maskulu maende na kwika nesa dhini wa mutiani wa KCSE ende na undumi ya mautumani maku kwa ili 395 ngwethi wa ndima kunikila o tuende yete tuambothi umavanini tusiokedetie na Mauvoo.
Saingine wika landi ukekulia indi andu makiangania chao
ngembesa ni kundi
yu inyaga switinye nakwira onanga kuduma ni onanga thingitha ngwata ndiuma mbesa ata ndina mbesa
na wenda ni kata
maunika na chao ubungu we maisha makube
twesa ithi ya njamaa umwe kwenda iyita timukuna ka umuthuku muno
nundu ni lasima ulilikane kila kindu na wolwa nu niwekanga na amaku kila watu mwa kwambia saile na nusu cia wiyo
wona mwaye kuzu ndukambelo nywa kiwu
nundu
utuku ndwambia wewe bujamba unguru waya makuzu na wanywa kiwu mayutha ukiahebu nyenita wakasena ni muthukumi wa account uya kwa education iko ntukuma na siana cia muthembo tite the ya kuinenge bursaries ukana kagenda ndiko cheki
oyu
o mituki kasioke sukaende school ka report na siana ila ingi na thimithana kiameva nienda umabetanga nie na beba wa muguka pio
pilo ele kilungu cha kase kamundu kebata na maisha ma metolio na ubungu
keduke mauta mangombe
yes
usuwekie na ukiwanzoki Winambesa yuhiti what you want
Nova Mutongo TV ngwataniyo ya mukamba
mukamba ni wese uimane uthui na kwa uondo ilite kubatithia na uima waku Rafiki Habo Clinic ungua Dr. Mwithia nicho kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila gitongoete kwa uiti mwithianu na wa ndawa cikiwa ukunikili wa science nituita mauki wathukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, mbio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia, kwambato ni thakame, kukosa bina wa kiume, mauma kikonde, asthma, mauma mitambo, fibroids, sukali na mauangi. Nituthoka kwaku kila chumwa wa kwambililia tuithe wa Masako, Kibwezi na Kitui Kabati, wa keli tuithe wa Mombasa Changamwe, Kathonzweni na Nunguni, wa katatu twithia wa Mwingi, Matuu na Matiliku. Wa kana twithia wa Kitui, Emali na Voi. Wa katano twithia wote, Kasikeu na Kamutei. Wa thanthatu twithia wa Ilobi Mulolongo, Kambu na Mutomo. Kana tukunisi mukwisila noti muonza imwe ile itatu kana noti muonza na noti muonza noti kenda noti. Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals. Musei no manyeneke asi on the masembe tisiana si School of Angels Sophia. School of Angels Sophia ni wo wekane savyo na wakito misingi ni ya Kikristo. Ali mumaitu nimeyumecho kunenga mwana wako kisomo kilo kwata kwa uni mwailu ndevi situnesi ya niye mvuko wako. Tuivake lomiti chato kuma musino wa matulelo no adhika kuthigarisa. Semba oyumi anyejivo itana adhela nondu kila musi no vo sembete.
Welcome to the School of Angels, the home of super brains.
We have a modern laboratory, a library, and other social services that will help our students do well in their exams. We also offer curricular activities for the students, that's drama, music, among other outdoor activities.
Kwa mavombe ange, tudhokeka na tukunesi mukusila noti muonza ili noti, imwe ili noti, thandatu itatu imwe, kana noti muonza imwe thandatu, ina noti muonza, na thandatu itano. School of Angels Sophia, dream big, work hard, achieve your goals.
Karibuni sana, karibuni. Niwauzie?
Ugali matumbo batia mimi.
Ugali matumbo! Na wewe?
Ipe wali maragwe?
Wali? Hey! Wewe, mchele madando hapo! Na wewe?
Nilikuwa nataka kaomena na kadoma.
Customer, usijali chakula yako tutakutengenezea kwa ajili yako tu.
Maisha yako, mapendeleo yako. Tunukiwa na Safaricom. Chagua bei yako ya kupigia simu au data. Piga *444# au utembelee My Safaricom app upate deal poa ya kupiga simu. Uongee zaidi au ubrowse zaidi.
Nataka chapati na crips.
Mala sausage. Nataka ugali.
Ni na udhocha ingi twende na kumanithia na ndio kwa kubi kwisila utumani mukubi ni ona mundu no kulia Masinga sub county indi ko twiva KCSE na ndio kwa kubi mausungio ma mutiani wa KCSE kwa school wa imwana wa Masinga boys alam matongwete ni andu atano mena B+ na yo B yungamite ni 19 na B- kana B yengusie ni miongweli na muonza. Tuisonga na mbele kana serikali nene itethanisie na ila ya county ya Kitui ni siakolwa itethesia nende kukitana nanza kavindani kambua yuiye kwa kiwango kinini muno ile mbetani ya ukamba ukulo umwa ni MCA wa ward ya mui ilaye mwingia kati Cornelius Muthami ulawetaka enende memuisioni wako kwatwa ninza kumana na mbua kwa nini vala bombula kanano kwithiwa aithukumana na serikali vamwe makundi matemaki serikali nzikayoni sia kwikithia kana nimetana enende nanza Lina Musangi alivoti.
Onena na kamemeka haiti no public participation ya kuthima miradi kivathukanya wodi ni MCA ni wawetakana kwa uyu enenze ma wodi ya mwene maminite kwivuilo ninza wala wawetakana no kwitho ithukumana vakuvi na serikali na mivete ya kiserikali nikana kuikithia enenze ni matetheswa kukitana nanza
wodi yakwa uyu ni imwe katika ila siku kukubasia affected muno na nenda kupartner na serikali na non-governmental institutions kusisiondwa maitu motereka mui mbua ninatilikie mwaseo maitu mema nini of course despite kwithwa andu maitu mana kitabiti nene ya kuharness leu kusalamia nani lakini nundu kwa shortage ya mbua we are foreseeing a very severe drought na yukite just immediately after drought ilenge iko iraveji leu na itosio. That is the source of livelihood.
Mudhamini waweta kana inenze ingimekuwa atasema liuma miundani ona kuivyasiana sio visi na kuou bena bata matetheswe
na we are foreseeing ibinde kwa yeyomo kuna pina school fees uloko kwa utonya kubait families situ mono nenda kwa appeal to anybody, the government, national, both national and county government na ausikalange on them matoza mutetheswe with the monitor situation ya ward yesu mono nikana with ni atethu bala batonya
Watauni wombula kana matuko mokete maketha na kikalo na gavana wa county Julius Makao Malombe kithitoni kya kuikithe kana utaluwasia na ila itethe kana propo bursaries ni siongelangwa
tungia gavana mugano wa kwete bursaries within but we are also appealing that bursaries in the future, and we will have sitting with the governor to see kana ona kabatu kanende sana ngili tano tukanet a bigger wider population nondo school fees kwitu ni kindu kina kiwo deni asiaimono na especially you matana kwata ni matana kuta maka cushion the little earnings they have.
Good report ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma moi mwingia katika untini ya Kitui Nilina Musangi.
Kungi ni kana mokulio maito yuni maende ye kumbila enendi alani ene yanda dhini wangwatanio ya wenda no matuku ya matungulo kauntini Masako balama atwa isia miatianio kwe umondi mayenda vethewe na umbano we mwanya wa kumanya undu mwanda wo uendeye amemba ingi meenda usakwani mwe utwa iwe maitatakana yume nambe wa miaka 10 matedhiwa na umbano wa memba mangwatanio isu Mwandukito Josephine Koki ena maufoa.
Memba mainena na Mutongwe TV meweta kuma mwaka wa 2023 kuvika omundi maeso komana na mali ya ngwatanio yoyende na kuthoswa ni alame Utongwe-ini.
Hivyo nitathine ya mundani wa wenda no matu nundu wa mundu mokwitwa muli alikile mundani uwitu tawage ate musakue na ate itheka zitu ndu kwenda nitenda tikulia silikali yitu ya Kenya eligele mundo nundu munda witu ti wa kotine itanoiye tika taithie ate silikali tulikile tutethie andu akuni maumeiye mama wazeni maumeiye hivyo tewe atano ye mundo na mundo watete itheka zitu ikagwa uthela alama te weni tienda makwata nwemo mona nwemo tonde wate ate chake ndata cha wenda no teze hivyo kabaiba mundu mute na andu ondela mateto kitheka ne gikiro makengatwa imatewe me atia kila manenga niye jonde
oingi ni menda ukunikili utwewe kukonania na undu mali ya ngwatanio isu ithowetwe kwa kiwango kiyulu na muno itheka ila amemba masio metiwe
kitheka ki na kikatie ni wa masiaeli na ndwala na katie ni namo mena esuku weju na ngana na kuma 20 chao miongweli na thanthatu tuyaisaona kindu cha mundo witu ni kuliate silikali ni mukuliate twakati ya mundu kana nithite kati ya ene
miachanio yo muthenyani wa umundi yalikilo na kungamwa ni maofisa ma polisi na mo amemba amaigweta kana wendi wo munene ni kumantha muwo na kutungi wa mali yo na nongi nyamati ya mitalatala kunengwa muthenya musio wa kwithiwa na umbano.
Wanaitisha mkutano, wanaruhusiwa kuitisha mkutano. Lakini members wakiitisha mkutano kuna ile masharti wanafaa wafuate na haijafuatwa. Sio yangu kuelezea hiyo masharti. Masharti imetengenezwa na the registrar of companies. When members wanaitisha mkutano, si directors, members wenyewe wakitaka mkutano. Hiyo kwanza hamjafuata.
Nijetiite umbano ta members. This is a members meeting. Tina kutakita ukala kinita siye watethia be court order. Lakini uwi umbano wane property. Na tiyo kitetaene titanite toke. timanye ni chao kiende tina kaona mundu
itina wa kutonyelela mawithu lulukoni mama ovisi mangwataneo ino maundu tima kwaila vala nyumba sia maovisi ni ndei na ingi kukwangwa miomo vamwe na kuvibwa mwaki kila chongelete uthatu kuya memba asu kila mesi kwa munonikana ni vatonye kamiunda yo ikethiwa yende na kuthoua na kwenda uthiwa mali yo vamwe na nzama ila meweta tailikilwe ni andume na veva wa manyamasia na kuvuthia atongoi ala asakue.
Tupewe nafasi na serikali yetu Ruto aingilie hii kesi hili tutolewe kwa koti. Wavinyandeti ni mwanamke, wanawake mnajua uchungu wa kuzaa. Jamani, si utusaidie na hao wazee wetu. Wamama wanateseka. Tunachomwa na jua hapa. Hatujakula tangu asubuhi. Tumelipa fare. Hatujui tutarudi na nini. Tutafanya nini jamani? Tutafanya nini? Serikali si mtusaidie jamani.
Ni ripoti ya Mutongwe TV, nitawa Josephine Koki.
Haini tikwatikana mbwesu ni kwiwika na ndwasu ma wendo wiki ya utongiwa na ile tuiminukilia Mauvoo maito niona ngui mudhoka kuma ya kalia ni Kitui cha katika untini ya Kitui ya kulia na mama tinyane boys mekangi tata na indi alama tongwetie mena A yembumie kana A- ila ni miongo 3 alama na B+ ni anaimwe miongo 5 na 6 na alama na B plain ni miongo na kenda maniwa onde me mana eli na miongo na hindi wona ni wakana school wesu ni yikite nesa na hindi bayo tukilangithio Vilingi wa Mauvoo tukwendea kwithiwa na weekend ya kwaila nyeni to Robert Mutuku na Kesha Ndinda atwalila Mauvoo akwanzia ya meko twanesi.